Good day, everyone. This time, we'll talk about MicroMix. It is widely known that huge amounts of fertilizers are being used in solanaceous crops and cucurbits to maintain product yield and quality. This in turn results to higher costs of farm inputs and increased risk of environmental effects, including adverse effects to farmers. Given that, here's a question for everyone. Is it possible to reduce excessive use of chemical stimulants and fertilizers, but still improve the growth and yield of crops? The answer is yes, and it is provided by MicroMix. The product is developed by Dr. Manix Pedro from UPLB Biotech, and patent protection for this technology is currently in the works. MicroMix is a biostimulant composed of a consortium of bacteria that enhances growth of crops, particularly for bell pepper and bitter gourd. This technology can lessen production costs often incurred by farmers of high-value crops who are faced with high cost of farm inputs. Moreover, this biostimulant does not only target bell peppers and bitter gourds, but also other solanaceous crops and cucurbits, which are known to use up massive amounts of synthetic fertilizers. MicroMix is easy to adapt and use. The seeds only need to be moistened and coated with the biostimulant, and then it can be directly planted the following day. Field trials have been conducted to test the reliability, usability, and adaptability of MicroMix in Batangas, Quezon, and Nueva Vizcaya. Results showed that there was an increase in yield by 29.87% upon the use of MicroMix. For the market trend on bitter gourd, it comprises a little less than 11,000 hectares of land in the Philippines, with a total national production of 89,862.95. With Central Luzon as the highest producing region with a total production of around 25,000 metric tons. Bitter gourds are heavy consumers of fertilizers, thereby increasing the cost of production. Fertilizer requirement for bitter gourd is 181.8043 kilograms per hectare and requires 5 to 10 tons per hectare of organic fertilizers. According to our inventor, Dr. Pedro, the total production cost is at 125,604 pesos per hectare, and the industry is valued at 2.6 billion pesos. As for bell pepper, one of the major producing regions in the country is the Cordillera Administrative Region, wherein 45% of the national production is produced. Bell peppers require 90-80-30 kilograms per hectare of fertilizer, with an average production cost of 132,000 pesos per hectare. According to the Bureau of Agricultural Statistics, approximately 13,000 metric tons of bell peppers are produced each year, with an annual growth rate of 1.78%. Moreover, bell peppers were valued at 273 million pesos in 2013. Through the use of MicroMix, these farms can improve their crop production without the excessive use of fertilizers, thereby reducing its harmful effects to the soil as well as reducing the production cost. For more information on MicroMix, you may contact UPLB TPBDO. Thank you.